Atlassian provides the Forge framework so that we as developers can extend their ecosystems by creating cloud-native applications or plugins hosted in their infrastructure free of charge to us, and we can potentially sell them later. How brilliant! In this video, let's build a hello world in Forge. They have a tutorial, let's take a look at it. There are some prerequisites. I have macOS, so I need Node, the newest version. I have that already. So let's just go down here. So we need to install the Forge CLI. We just do that like this. Seems simple. And then we verify the version. We have Forge. Next we need the auth token. So we go here into idatlassian.com, and I am logged in, I have an account, and create API token, and let's call it Forge API token. And then we copy this. Next we log in. It seems simple. Forge login. And we allow it to collect information to help Atlassian. And we enter our email address and our token. And we are logged in. Let's scroll down and find here next steps. Build a hello world in Jira. That's interesting. So we need a Jira site. Let's open this in a new tab here and create a new site. With my email address, I'll call it copycop test site. Continue. And we wait a bit. Seems we are done, but it says Confluence here. But let's just skip here, skip this, finish. And then let's see here if we can find Jira. It's here. Forge offers different development environments. Development, staging, and production. In this video, let's stick with development. And let's try this out. Forge create. So we go here, Forge create. And enter the name. Jakob's first Forge app. Let's select UI kit. Let's select Jira. And let's select Jira issue panel. Success! So let's navigate into the created folder and open this up in Vim. And look at package.json. There is a lint, that's nice. And well, actually fewer dependencies than I would have thought. And let's find here manifest. There's a title here. Let's try to change it. My app, dear Jakob. And then let's navigate into source. Front end. Hello world. Let's change this a bit. Hello world Jakob. How about that? And save it. Let's now try to deploy it. Forge deploy. Alright, it worked. But now we need to also install the app. Jira. And then we need our URL. Yes. It worked. Let's try this out. We first need a project, so let's do that here. And just a standard project. Try this template. Company managed, that seems good. My project. Software development. Create. Let's now create an issue. My issue. Create. And let's view it and see if we can find our code. I see something here. My app, dear Jakob. Let's press it. So there's something loading here. Hello Jakob. It's working. That's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Please try out Forge. It's super cool. Please like this video if you would like to see more Forge content, and give me a comment if you would like me to do something else. Thank you.